Hello, everybody. Hope you're doing well, and welcome to this live trading stream that I have for you today, where we're going to be going into the cryptocurrency market, taking a look at Bitcoin, see if we can line up some altcoins, and having a very good time while doing so. So I hope that you're all well, and yeah, really looking forward to this one. Let's see how the chat is coming along here. Hello, 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 everybody. Charlie says his body is ready for this stream. I am absolutely ready for this one too. I think it's going to be a very nice one indeed. So yeah, Bitcoin actually with some really big moves today. Right, we had that pretty large drop to the downside, all stemming from second time. Okay, we obviously had the original high, swing failure pattern, moved down in an ABC pattern. This high of the wave B took out the psychological $70,000, and we rallied up and done the exact same thing. Rallied up, took out 70,000 psychological, and we're coming back down for this kind of retest zone of the very low of the move. I'll give you a quick update on my two trading accounts that I have. As I told you in the last stream that I done, which was Monday or Tuesday, I think it was Tuesday, that I done here on YouTube, I was letting you know I have a conservative trading account where I'm taking only like the A star, really good setups, and then I have an aggressive trading account where I'm happy to just take more trades, okay, except I'm going to lose some more trades, but trade in a more aggressive style. So I'll give you a quick update on those two accounts, and then we will start this stream. So actually, the conservative trading account is going excellent. Very nicely indeed. What can I say? We are on a 100% win rate. That is after 20 trades, and we're up a $1,100 on this trading account. It is going very, very well. I am in two more trades today, which are currently up $85, which are active trades open right now. And yeah, since I started this account just about 2 weeks ago, 2 days, 2 weeks, 2 days ago now from the 29th, yeah, $1,100. The account size that I've been trading with here is around $2,000 to $3,000. So this is what I class as a very relatable size. Okay, I know when I'm trading the millions of dollars, people couldn't relate to that. It was fun to see the large numbers and the big amounts of profit. I get that. But I wanted to do this challenge, which was very relatable to the more average viewer of my channel. And so, yeah, we're trading with only average position size $2,000 to $3,000. I think this is achievable for the majority, not everybody, but a majority of people. And it just goes to show you that when you are taking like the best trades, you are waiting patiently for good trade setups. You can turn a small, I want to call it small account, but I don't, I need to, turn an account of $3,000, and in 2 weeks, you've already made $1,000, right? And that's just being very patient with the trade setups. You can see all the trades that I've taken here, mainly on Pepe. Pepe and Beer have been my two really good trade setups. Little bit of AVAX, right? Another coin that I enjoy trading, and a few one-offs, LFT, WIF coin. Again, these are all kind of random altcoins. I don't have any love or hate for them. They're just random altcoins with a lot of volatility, and that's where the opportunities lie. And so this is what I class the conservative trading account, trading average position size $2,000 to $3,000, and here we are up 2 weeks later, $1,000. Okay, I will take a loss, I'm sure, on this account at some point, but for now, it is going very nicely indeed. On that account, currently in two more trades. I'm actually in a Pepe long, which I got into very nicely. This is one that I was lining up for the champions today in my daily morning update. Really simply got this Pepe long because we came down to the CC, lower the channel. I was like, well, I gave all the champions this morning. That's the trade that I'm looking for. And really simply, that's the trade I took. So in another nice trade there, $64 in profit. Again, it's just a small account. This is $2,900 position size, and we're in 2.2% currently. Another nice trade on Pepe. Another long that I took is on RuneCoin, and this account, this trade currently in around 1% profit. Again, just $2,300 position size. It's very, very down to earth. And yeah, currently looking in around 27. So both those trades, we're coming up to around another $100 of profit. from today's trades, currently in $94 again today. Every day we're locking in around $100, you can see on average. And yeah, that is the conservative trading account. And those are the trades I'm in on that conservative account right now. Now, I want to bring you over and give you a quick update before we get into the new trades of what I've done on the aggressive trading account. And so this was aggressive trading account that I was trading yesterday on live stream during the power hour. So this is a members only champion stream. It's the power hour, the last hour of the trading session in New York, right? And we went live, myself, Igor Severin, and I took two really nice trades on stream. The best was 100% AVX. You have to watch it. If you remember, go back and watch it several times the way. I analyzed AVAX was just like a really, really good short trade, lining it up with Bitcoin. But you can see just over 1 hour of trading, and that's $386 of profit in just over 1 hour. So whether we're taking it conservatively and we're trading account up slowly and steadily, or whether we want to go aggressively and in 1 hour make, this is enough to cover membership fees, right? And it just goes to show you whether we're aggressive, whether we're conservative, we want to still have good trades under our belt. And right now on this account, I am currently in a phantom trade. Again, here we go, another $300 of profit on the aggressive trading account that I'm in right now. I'll talk you through the reasons of this, and then we will be looking for more. Of course, this account is a bigger position size. So on the aggressive account, I've got $100,000 here to be trading with. So this position size is $29,000. I agree, not as relatable, but this is just an aggressive account that I want to be trading with today on stream. So that's the quick introduction, I suppose. And now let's go search for some trades together, right? So let's bring back over onto the charts. So what have we got going on here on Bitcoin? Yeah, ultimately a retest of the previous low. And we are looking at right now coming into the low of the VWAP bands. VWAP, I do think, would be a really nice test at this point. That we're looking at another 0.8% rise to the upside. And yeah, that's sat on the point of control. Yeah, I would like to see this tested. Okay, so for me, that's where I'll be looking for the rise on Bitcoin up to. This is just a really nice test level. What we're seeing on the lower term time frames, and we'll also be taking a look at the order flow. We're seeing a little bit of shorts open here. We obviously had 7 million, nearly 8 million shorts open at the very low, and then we saw about another 5.6 million longs actually open at the very low of the move. So this is what I'd call fairly neutral, to be honest, neither bullish or bearish, because you had a lot of shorts and a lot of longs open. Of course, when you zoom out, you do have big bullish divergences going on here. So we're holding this higher low with new lows made. But yeah, I do think a VWAP test at this point would be very nice. It's kind of what I would like to see on Bitcoin, a move up and test this VWAP. Let's see what we got going on in here then. So this is what I'm looking to get into some trades right now. Gala with another simple swing failure pattern of that. Oh, no, not quite today. Let me just refresh my brain here. I do need to do this very quickly. XRP, not too much. So we might get a nice long trade potentially lining up on Matic during the stream if we can get this to come down for an SFP. May or may not happen during stream, we'll see, but this is where I would look to take a long on Matic, swing failure pattern type trade. Really enjoy those types of trades, to be honest with you. Really would like that to see on APT as well. That would be a swing failure pattern type trade onto the monthly. So we might get Matic, ATP. Yeah, Sol for me is just not anything here. Ethereum neither. OP. Yeah, this kind of started to break down. Right, I did take a long on this yesterday. Hit take profit 1, placed my stop loss, got stopped out in profits. But yeah, this at the moment I am still looking down for the weekly. AVAX. Well, AVAX is another long that I've taken. I really am looking at this for more of a swing trade. Really would like Bitcoin to play some fair games with us, but this looks for a nice rise really simply from the value area low. Of course, we need to be aware of the point of control, but trading that up to that high. So this is the phantom setup. Of course, I showed you that I am in this phantom long right now. This is more of a We could say day trade entry, but I'm looking for this more of a swing trade, to be honest with you, because I got this nice kind of triangle. Again, easy invalidation. I know where I'm wrong. I would actually buy another order. This is why I don't go full position size, because I would compound on the anchored VWAP here. Still invalidation below the low of A, but really we actually have a nice triangle going on, right? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. This is a 3, 3, 3. We're just looking for 3-3 to finish basically a really nice wave 4, holding the top of wave 1, and we can get a really nice potential move. Again, this is just still potentially going to be invalidated, right? But it's the trade that I'm going off of, a more of a swing trade perspective. Invalidation is losing the low of A. Again, if you're too scared to put money in a trade, you're too scared to win money, okay? Scared money don't make money. You've got to put your money where your mouth is. Otherwise, you're never going to be able to succeed in this market, right? So for me, it's worth the trade here. I understand we got a very nice impulse, retracement, impulse above the 1-to-1 for a wave 3, and then I really like the structure of this 3-3-3. Okay, and this to me shows triangle type structure, right? So we got this coming on with a really simple triangle swing trade on Phantom, bringing this up for potentially some very nice gains. So that is the reason right now that I am in this Phantom long, again currently a $350 profit, but that is nothing compared to what I could get if the trade plays out well. If the trade doesn't play out well, then I'll lose a few $1,000s on that trade, of course. But so far, I've got no reason to. The only reason I think this would fail is if Bitcoin crashes, to be honest with you, because if Bitcoin does crash, then we'll probably lose this trade, let's be honest with you. But as long as Bitcoin can hold stable, hold this around $65,000, then I do have, I do feel I got a nice setup here, to be honest with you. So let me see what else we got going on then. So we could try and like take some trades on Bitcoin. Let's see. Let's come down here on a lower term time frame. I mean, I do feel this is kind of come up to the VWAP. So locally here, we could look for like a low initial, very quick scalp on Bitcoin. Let me see what the ES is. Yeah, so I do think Bitcoin is going to rise here to the VWAP. We're not talking about a large trade though. That's the thing, right? We're looking really for another 0.6%. So we can take a look at Bitcoin. Thing for me, this is not really my like preferred style of trading, right? So I would be kind of thinking to myself, okay, back test of, we're looking for around 1%. We would really want to see this hold the higher lows, right? So if we can come back down, this is what I would be looking for on stream. Do I think this is the best trade I've ever taken? No. But we're looking for about 2-to-1, hold higher low structure, back test the point of control, take that up to the VWAP. Gives us around a 1% gain, 0.3% loss potentially. So yeah, this is, if you don't know, I'm back on the era of day trader. So day trader, scalp trader Daniel is back. For the past year, I've been really focused on swing trades, not really on the lower term timeframes, but I'm not joking around anymore. This is me back. This is scalp day trader Daniel, and we are here back making some very, very nice profits. And that is going to be the next trade I'm looking for here. Very aggressive style trade, going with this market structure. We're looking for this back test. We've got the alert set. That's the long that I'm looking to take. Hold the higher lows, back test the point of control, the high volume node area, bring it up to the VWAP. That is the next long that I'm looking to take here on stream. So that would be nice if it wants to come to my entry. Give a quick look here. Rune and Pepe, still not really much going on there. Going to be also dependent on Bitcoin, right? And we have got still, let's give a quick look at Phantom. Phantom. Yeah. So this is the thing. We will be waiting a little bit on Bitcoin here, to be honest with you. Like Bitcoin is going to really give some volatility to this. So if we can get this pullback and rise, that would be kind of nice. We have got no bearish divergences at the moment. So yeah, I think this is all looking okay. Let me see some comments while we are waiting. Where are you watching? Let me see. Because I'm streaming here on a few different platforms. Whether you're watching on Twitter, I'm streaming this on Twitch, streaming this on YouTube. Of course, YouTube is my preferred platform. Let's see the YouTube comments. Hope you're all good on YouTube. Hope that you are all good. Daniel, can I start copy trading on Bybit? That's not really the aim of this account. I want to really stress some very important things here. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not doing this for copy trading. I'm doing this to really just have some fun on stream, entertainment, education, entertaining you, while also explaining the trades, giving you some education live in the time. My goal here isn't to have copy trades. I don't want to set up copy trading. Again, that's not the goal of what I have with my purpose in life. My purpose in life truly is to just educate people and turn them from bad traders that lose to turn them into winning traders that understand the markets and that can truly be self-sufficient. If I start copy trading, then that's going to not actually aid my purpose. And I truly have a calling, and I truly believe I was blessed with a gift of trading. And my calling now is to give back, educate people, and show them that this is possible. Okay, I'm here for giving you education, inspiration, okay, not to just be a copy trader. Okay, that's not what I'm about. I'm not about signals. Okay, I am all about the education, right? And I've really dedicated the past 5 years of my life to Chart Champions and getting this set up. So it would kind of really put my work to not what I'm about. So yeah, I will be honest with you. I have no intentions of copy trading. I do hope that you can learn from these live streams, okay, especially the live trading streams. But I'm not trying to do this from a signals type point of view. I'm really just coming in here, doing something that nobody else will do. How many other people, please, I put this out as a challenge to everybody. How many other people are going to come in and grow an account, show every single trade, show every order history, come in here and show the P&L graph of their accounts? I know nobody else. Please let me know if you know somebody else that's doing this. But I think this should be the new standard. This should be the new standard. There should be no more percentage-based trades, okay? Because you never truly know. We're up here $300, nearly $400, right? But it's up 1.3%. If someone posts a percentage, they actually could just be trading with $1, right? It's still going to show $1. It's still going to show 1% gain. So we need to actually, with my aim of this is also to have fun, educate you, but also I want to try and level up the game. Okay. And this is not about who's better than anyone else. It's just, there are a lot of scammers. Let me make this clear. There are a lot of scammers. People that you probably look at and think that you can trust are also scammers. It's as simple as that. The space is full of it. Fake traders that will come in and post a random graph. There's a lot of very good analysts. Okay, they're very good at drawing some lines on the chart, but they're not good at taking the trades. Okay, so my goal here is to really level up the game and tell people, if you're a good trader, prove it. Come on, create a new account, start the P&L growth. Okay, tell everybody the day you're creating it, because what you have to remember is someone could try 100 times before they finally get that winning account. So just be transparent and honest. Tell your members, this is when I'm going to create my account. Let's trade it, and I'll update you every single day. I don't think anybody's going to meet that challenge, because I think the majority of this space is full of scammers. And that's not me trying to hate. That's me trying to warn people and look out for you. And if anyone wants to rise to that challenge, you can let them know. I'll be very happy to see that. Okay, because that's what I want. I want people to level up their game so you can see for yourself. People are charging you for a service. They need to be able to prove this. It's as simple as that. And that is how we do this, with full honesty and transparency. Every single account, okay, that we're taking, every single trade on the account, you know, there's no hiding anything here. It's as simple as that. And that's what we're doing here. Still on Bitcoin, waiting for this back test of the point of control. Anyway, that was a long question of answer of why I'm not going to do copy trading. But yeah, should you have like any questions, I do want to make this, of course, you know, this is a live trading stream. I want to be locking in some trades, talking about trades, but You have to understand not every single minute of this stream we're going to have a trade. I have to be a little bit patient right now. I'm waiting for a little bit of a drop. We're only looking for like a 0.29%, but these little percentage matters when you're scalping. If you have any interesting questions for me, please go ahead and ask them because I'll be more than happy to answer them for you. So yeah, let's keep our eye on this. I've got my alert set. Let's see what we got going on. Do you watch exo charts and order flow when trading alts? No, I'm actually not really using order flow when trading alts. That's just pure technical analysis on the charts. Using order flow 100% when trading Bitcoin, but not actually so much for the altcoins. Amen. Teach a man to fish and he'll never be hungry in his life. I'm here to learn more, and that is what I'm here for, to educate you and teach you. So I'm very happy to have eager students that want to learn. That's what we're all about here. Massive thanks, Legend. Live training is helping so much to actually do what we learn for that, to understand why and where to enter a trade. Yes, exactly. And I'm on 100% win rate right now, right? But I do want to be realistic, right? I'm not going to have that forever. We are going to lose some trades. So I think just coming on stream, taking some winners, taking some losers, but more importantly, understanding why I'm entering, where my invalidations are, where my take profits are. You're going to learn a lot. You really are going to learn a lot just from seeing a professional that's very successful in what they do come in here and do it live for you in front of you. Okay, I do feel it's a very nice opportunity, to be honest with you. We got some Asian traders over here enjoying the stream. Look at this. This guy made 120% thanks to the call on Rune. So this was the Monday or Tuesday stream that we tried to do. I've got the account fixed now, as you can see, but I called Rune on stream and that did have a very nice bounce. I wonder how many people long not against USDT Tether, because that pumped very big. But yeah, there was some epic gains to be had. Let's just keep our eye on Bitcoin. Here we are. We are coming down to entry. We're looking for this a little bit more. 0.9%. Another little move down here. So we got this coming down. What I like to do is look at the order flow at this point. So we are actually seeing a big drop in the delta, lots of longs closing out. I am happy for this one. So let's take the long. Let's load up Bitcoin derivatives against BTC. I'll come down here on the 1 minute chart. So let me just see this a second. So we're looking at 66.70. The hell is going on? How are these charts so different? That's more like it. I was totally confused there. What the on earth was that? Yeah, let's go into this. So we're looking at exactly 721. It's slightly different here. So we're looking for about 66684, 66684. So got a limit order here. Yeah. Really simply looking for that long point of control into the CC. We're about to get filled. That's the alert going off. For me, the order flow here is nothing to be worried about. Oh man, come on, fill me. Come on. And there we go. In that trade now. So now, for me, I will close it if we come back down below. I'll give it to, this low / the value area low. We start to lose that, I'll be out of the trade. So we're looking for the stop loss really around 66,400. That gives us around 2.4 risk to reward ratio. Potentially lose around 0.4%, potentially gain around just over 1%, right? So that's the trade I'm looking at right now. And then from VWAP, I'll make my next decision. Reverse it. If we get the bounce again, I can lose this trade. There are no guarantees, but if we do get a bounce, then this is where I would look for a short off of the VWAP. This would be very important, the order flow that I have going on. But yeah, that is going to be important, the order flow for me, to be honest with you. Nice little reaction. As I always tell you, there's never a random pivot in this market, right? Never a random pivot. So every single high and low that you see, there's always a technical reason for that. So yeah, that's obviously important. Let me see some of these comments. I actually have a video coming out on Monday. I have a video coming out on Monday discussing that exact question. So I just had a question from Lisa saying, please, can you explain how to use different timeframes when charting, please? Look at this. I want to tell you this because I actually have a contenders video coming out on Monday, which is high and low term timeframes, the difference, and how I'm charting. So what basically I'm going to be explaining what I'm charting and the reasons why I'm charting, lower term time frame, higher term time frame, how to chart higher term time frame, entry triggers on lower term time frame. I've got that was just a lovely coincidence there, Lisa, because I actually have a video dedicated to this topic that is released on Monday for the contenders and the champions, and that is going over the higher term time frame, lower term time frames, and how you differentiate between them when taking those trades. Again, what we mean by all those different time frames too. That's Portuguese, I recognize that, but Brazilian. If I go to Brazil, he'll buy me some drinks. I appreciate that, Luigi. Been following you for some time, trying to make the most of what you do outside of Church Champions so I can learn and make enough trades to put in the real membership. Any plans on discounts? So no, I'm probably not going to do any more discounts. The discounts, I don't really, no, probably not going to do any more discounts. It's as simple as that, to be honest with you. I've kind of, I've had a lot of mistakes in my time, and I do think discounts was a little bit of a mistake, to be honest. So, so yeah, not planning any discounts for now. I'll be honest with you. No, so no, the YouTube member thing, I didn't actually set this up, but I do know it's definitely not the same as the membership on the website. So no, that is not the same. The YouTube thing. I want to hide this. Oh, beer. Yeah, I will talk about beer coin very quickly. So this is a coin that I've been trading. Again, I have no affiliation or anything with this coin. It's just something that has a lot of volume, and that's the reason why I was trading it, period. But this does look like a scam kind of coin now, because it basically had a very nice pump, and that's obviously why I've been trading it during the pump. But then yesterday, you know, we're talking about like an 80% drop. This for me seems like some sort of scam coin now. So as I told the members this morning, I'm probably not going to trade Bitcoin anymore, at least for a few days, to see how it goes. But whenever I see a coin dump like 80%, it probably means like the founders or initial investors, they've all cashed out, and I don't know, easily this is like a pump and dump thing. So I think, yeah, I mean, beer coin, yeah, this to me probably I would say is a scam. So again, this is the thing, all these altcoins that I've been trading, I don't know about any of this. I don't know what whiff coin is, I don't know what Pepe is, I don't know what beer coin is. I don't know anything about these coins. All I know is they got some volatility. I can trade it. That's all I really have been going for. And not actually so much any sort of fundamentals, because I'll be honest, I don't know anything about the fundamentals, right? So it would be a bit silly if I was trading off fundamentals. So let me see. Let's take another look at Bitcoin here. So little bit of longs opening. So this can drop. I will be looking at Bitcoin here, of course. This is a trade I'm in right now. This can drop a little bit more. Invalidation is, of course, coming below value area low. We could still see another like 2.5%, and this is still okay. You can see we're trying to find support on the point of control right now. It is nice to see ES moving up. It is nice to see Nasdaq moving up. This is beneficial. Not so nice to see the DXY moving up too, though, right? So, but it is what it is. How long have I've been trading now? Man, I always even forget myself, but it's been about 14 years I've been doing this. And it took me about 3 years to actually become uh, good, let's say, where I was good enough to be making consistent. So it took me about 3 years to learn, but I've been doing this in total since I like started it, where I wouldn't have classed myself as a trader, but more of as an investor. 14 years, so a long time, and I've literally dedicated my whole life to this. This is this is my whole life. Trading is what I do every single day of the week. It's what I enjoy. It's what I love, and yeah, I've been doing it quite a while now. So this is coming down through the point of control, so I could take a loss here. But again, we still got a little bit of space. But if it does come below here, I'll simply close this trade for a loss, by the way. We'll wait and see. But I hope you understand like the reasonings of this trade, what's going on here, the exact reasons behind the entry, the market structure, the value area low that we got going on, the target of the VWAP. I hope all this makes sense to you. Let me see what we have there. So yeah, this is obviously just following along on BTC. Let me see what other questions we have coming up in here. Do I use Super Trend? No, I do not use Super Trend. So to be honest with you, I do not use that indicator. So I wouldn't really like to say. Yes, I am charting BTC. So I do like to chart more BTC USD, even though I don't trade that pair. I find that the USD pair is really nice on the respective TA. We've got a lot of people in this stream, actually. We got nearly 1,000 people in here. I'm trying to read the comments, but the comments like go very, very quickly. We're getting like a comment every few seconds, so it's very hard for me to kind of keep up with this. To be honest with you, I'm trying my best. But it does go a little bit quick. You can still see we're hovering around this point of control. So yeah, just this is the thing, right? I'll give you a really good bit of information here, and that is that the majority of people actually lose their trades because they are. A lot of people lose their trades because they have no patience. Okay, they have no patience. So let me just come over here, and I just want to see how this phantom trade is going. Phantom trade is going still pretty nice. We're still in around $400 of profit on this phantom trade right now. But yeah, I want us to give you a quick tip that the majority of traders, honestly, I think that a lot of people actually I just saw a lovely comment that I like. Smash the likes, hit the like button. If you're enjoying these streams, if you want more of these streams, smash that like, share this video out to your friends, to your family. If the people want to learn trading, this is where they got to be. This is where they got to be. Okay, let me tell you, they can easily fall into a scammer's trap. There are scammers galore. Every single day, I'm seeing more and more. So just be careful. But yeah, smash that like button, everybody. And where I was going is I see a lot of people losing for two main reasons, to be honest with you. Number one is a lack of patience. Okay, with my trades, I'm very patient for that entry. Okay, that is how on my conservative trading account, okay, that is how I've got this 100% win rate, period. Like if I was not patient, sometimes you can see here, I went how many days with no taking trades? 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, 4 days with not taking a single trade. And that is because during these 4 days, there were no trades that I class as A+, very good setup. So I'm remaining patient for my next best trade, and then look at that. The next day I make nearly $500 profit. So you have to be able to have that patience be comfortable with not taking a trade if you want to enjoy the continuation of your account, right? Because if on these days I just thought to myself, I'm just going to take a trade, I'm so bored, man. I just want to be in a trade. I have this like gambler's mentality. I'm going to lose my account. I'm going to throw away gains unnecessarily. Okay. So you really have to be patient. And that is the number one reason I really think people lose, because they have no patience. And this, of course, comes down to psychological battles. Okay, people are not too good with their psychology, emotions in trading. That's something we can help with, of course, educating and like giving our opinions on how to overcome such things. But yeah, patience is a really big thing. And then just simply a lack of strategy. People just have, in general, a lack of strategy. But yeah, let's see if we can hit $500 profit on Phantom. That would be nice. But yeah, those are the main reasons why I believe people like lose a lot. Really because of like lack of patience, coming in and out of trades too quickly, not waiting. Again, I want to stress this is not why I class as like an A+ setup, by the way. But when we're talking again, this is a trade taken on my aggressive account, right? We're not going for like the best trades here. We're going for kind of just an intraday kind of setup. We got the reason of an entry. Things are looking nice with their other markets. Order flow absolutely still neutral. We actually got a little bit, not too much. Got a little bit of bullish divergences here. So like these are all positive signs of the trades. Altcoins are still running nicely. So I'm a happy man right now. Daniel, what are your thoughts on the crypto gaming space? I'll be honest, I have no thoughts on the crypto gaming space because I don't even know what gaming coins are. I am a gamer. I love the game, but I'll be honest, I have no love of crypto gaming. I'll happily sweat Elden Ring. But in terms of, I'm just trading these coins because of the technical analysis, purely and simply the technical analysis. Coming in here, reading the charts, taking a trade. I don't know if it's a gaming coin. I don't know if it's an AI coin. I don't know if it's a meme. Well, I do kind of know meme coin. Pepe is a meme coin, right? But yeah, in terms of what are my thoughts on the gaming crypto space, I have no thoughts there, to be honest with you. Hello, Igor. Hope you're well, my friend. Igor in the house. What was the confluence for that trade? So the Bitcoin trade that we've just taken together, this was because we're coming down to the CC. So obviously I took my original entry here and it was the CC on the point of control. Invalidation is coming back below the value area low and looking for this low, high, higher, low, higher, high, higher, low continuation up to test the VWAP. That is the reason of that trade. We are currently, yay, we hit $500 profit. That's a nice thing to see. But again, not really that bothered about this because I'm going for more, but we just hit $500 on Phantom. So that's good to see, isn't it? But yeah, that's what we were looking at on Bitcoin. Let me see. Yeah, of course, Bitcoin right now is literally still at my entry. So it's not really doing anything here. We're in a it's an entry. So my Bitcoin trade took this on the stream, but yeah, it's not really moving a lot. We are literally just seeing that chill entry right now. Yeah, the only coin of which I've traded here is which is moving nicely is Phantom. This is getting a little bit of volatility, right? Getting this little bit of continuation. This again is more of a swing trade. You do have to watch the whole stream to understand. But are you going to stream the new? This is my type of question. This is my type of question. Am I going to stream the new Elden Ring DLC? I'll be honest, probably not, because I'm actually gonna be playing it through on Xbox. So I do not think I will play on stream. Am I going to play the DLC? Yes, 100%. I am a massive fan of Elden Ring. I absolutely love it. But am I going to stream it? I do not think so. Do not think so, unfortunately. I've got enough streams for Bitcoin. Don't want to get into too many other streams right now. Shout out to Scott. Hello, Scott. I hope you are well, my friend. Scott says 500 likes for $500 profit. We can do it. We got 1,000 people in this stream, 1,000 people almost in this stream, 284 likes. Let's go for $500 profit, 500 likes. Hit that like button. If you want more analysis, more live streams, you got to show that love. And here we are about to win another trade here, potentially, because it hasn't won quite yet. I won't get ahead of myself. But we are in this Bitcoin trade. Look at this lovely little nice bounce. We are now sat in massive $27 of profit. But you can see here, right? You can see the analysis that I'm doing, the thought process, the reasoning. Everything is very calculated. And I want to stress this. This reason of calculation, this level of patience is what is giving me this 100% win rate right now. This is real. This is in front of your eyes. 90% of these trades I talked through on live stream, laid out everything, the plans to the champions ahead of time. I think 2 of these trades I've taken, just off my own back, not on stream. But 90% of those trades, I've given them all out. So this is just what I'm doing. I'm laying out my plans. I'm being patient. I'm waiting for those trades. And, this is how you reach. I don't even want to say this is realistic. I think I'm on just a very, very nice streak right now. I don't think 100% win rate is realistic, but you can see that when you are patient, right? This was an hour of trading, right? You can get some nice trades going on. So nice to see Bitcoin getting a bit of a bounce there, to be honest with you. Again, you can see that kind of zone where we were bouncing from. ES still moving up, Nasdaq still moving up. Happy. We're running into around 45 minutes. So these streams, really, I'm aiming to go on for about 45 minutes. If you've been watching me over the years, I have a very big throat problem. And it literally, period, is when I start to talk too long, my throat just goes in pain. So I do not really want to I want to do these streams regularly. That's the thing, right? So if I can keep them regular, then I do need to keep them shorter in time. And so I'd prefer to keep them shorter and regular than just overdo it and, just be in pain, to be honest with you. So I'm going to start to wrap this one up. I am happy that we managed to get the Bitcoin trade on stream. This is currently going pretty nicely, right? We're in like profits. This one, the Phantom coin, is one that I'm very happy with. This is obviously a swing trade, and this is in $500 of profit right now. So, let me just explain the plan before I start to wrap it up here. I just want to come on stream, take some trades, and again, everything on this account. I have 2 accounts: an aggressive trading account and a conservative trading account. And I'm going to be showing you every single trade that's taken on this account. Again, I do not believe anybody else in the space will do this. I don't think they'll follow along because, simply put, they are faking their results. Prove me wrong. Take up the challenge. Someone else follow along with what I'm doing here. Open an account. Tell everyone you're opening it. Let people see the trades, take the trades, and let's try and up this level and remove the scammers. That would be very nice indeed. But yeah, for me, with this, I'm just coming on stream, having some fun, taking some questions, giving some answers, explaining the entries, explaining my reasonings of stop losses, targets, and just getting you into my brain live in the time of the analysis, of the reading of the order flow, and bringing this into a series. I want to be coming live a few times a week, and of course, I will be more active on the chartchampions.com for the champions every day, right? I'm coming in here, I'm talking people through trades, exactly what I'm looking at. You can see, this is my champions channel, where every single day I'll be coming in here, posting an analysis, talking about trade setups. I'm a very, very, very active very active trader. I just love what I do. And if you want to see daily analysis, daily updates from me, as well as live trading streams, we've got the dedicated video library, we've got the dedicated altcoin streams, every single day a live stream, the whole course from beginners to master level. We've even got inbuilt competitions where if you are also trading nicely, you can pay your membership by just joining a competition and winning some profits. So I think we've got everything lined up really nicely in a one-stop shop platform. So yeah, if you want more from myself, Igor Severin, the other coaches, live trading, education, understanding how I'm building these accounts, the strategies used, and you want to know the ins and outs, you can get that absolutely via the community, the platform chartchampions.com. Hope that you've enjoyed the stream. Of course, I'm here trading on Bybit. But if you are interested in other streams, BingX is a non-KYC. And if you're looking at prop firms, we are partnered with TopStep. So these are the three trading platforms that I really like to use, which is Bybit, BingX, and I'm not on really using Femex anymore. I'm mainly Bybit and BingX. But if you are into prop firms, we do have that top step deal as well. So if that's of interest to you, you can obviously check that out via the deals page. We got some very nice exclusive deals. But if you want to learn, hey, you can just do that via chartchampions.com. I'm going to wrap it up there. I'm going to hope you have enjoyed this stream. I'm going to say thank you ever so much. And yeah, I will be live next, probably Monday, Tuesday next week for the YouTube. And of course, I'll be actually in the Discord tomorrow for the champions. So yeah, this is the new series. I hope you like. If you want more, hit that like button. And yeah, let's just come on stream a few times a week, take some trades, and have a lot of fun, make some profits, right? And educate you. That's where I want to get you to. So you fully understand everything that I'm talking about and why I'm taking these trades. I hope you've enjoyed. Thank you ever so much. See you soon. And if you want to see me even sooner, chartchampions.com. Thank you ever so much. Cheers. Thank you. And once again, goodbye.